But before we begin with smart properties to buy, take a look at what's happening around the country in real estate.
Over 200 developers, including major realty players, have shown interest in MHADA's plan to create a panel of builders for reconstruction of its colonies in Mumbai. The empaneled developers will primarily act as contractors who will bid for reconstruction as and when the societies approach the housing board. There are about 104 MHADA colonies which need to undergo reconstruction. According to MHADA officials, the lowest bidder will be paid the cost of construction. As per the recent MHADA policy, an FSI of 3 will be granted for redevelopment of its colonies covering 1,500 hectares. Tenants opting for redevelopment at MHADA's expense will be eligible for houses that are 50 to 95% larger than the present ones. Residents opting to appoint a private developer on their own will be eligible for only 35 to 80% more area. Bangalore-based developer RMZ Corp has signed fresh leases for over 1.5 million square feet of office space in the city. The company has also sold close to 1 million square feet, signaling continued demand for office space in the country's IT capital. This deal was signed for RMZ's 52-acre EcoWorld IT Park located on Outer Ring Road, which it had bought for over 1,000 crore rupees a few years ago. According to the sources, US conglomerate Honeywell is buying 8 lakh square feet of built-to-suit non-SEZ office space in EcoWorld for close to 600 crore rupees. This deal marks one of the biggest office space purchases by an MNC in the recent past. NCR-based real estate developer Supertech has launched its premium living project Supertech Hues in Sector 68, Gurgaon. The company, which has already tied up with global designer brands like Armani for its residences, has now signed world-renowned Singapore-based architect Aris for this new project. Supertech Hues will be a 70-acre integrated development, the first phase of which will have 23 towers of over 2,000 units. Across options of 2 and 3 BHK, apart from all facilities for the recreation and comfort of residents, this project will have around 85% green landscape areas.
We have launched this project at Sector 68 of Gurgaon. It's called Supertech Hues. It's a 70-acre development, out of which today we have announced 27 acre of this development, which we are calling Hues. This is a 2,000 apartment community which will be developing in next 3 to 4 year time. And the uniqueness about this project is that it's affordable and it's a mix of affordability and luxury.
Realty firm Ansal API has revived its plan to develop a 75-acre IT special economic zone in Greater Noida. The company will invest about 130 crore rupees over the next 3 years on construction. Notified in 2006 by the Commerce Ministry, the company was going slow on the development due to the global economic slowdown. With construction of Yamuna Expressway and NIIT setting up its captive units near this SEZ, the company has decided to increase the pace of development of this project. According to the company, 2 units in the SEZ have already started operation and they expect the entire 2 lakh square feet area to be leased during this current fiscal. Revving up its hospitality play in India, Oberoi Realty is all set to bring iconic luxury brand Ritz-Carlton to Mumbai. Ritz-Carlton will be the hospitality partner for Oberoi Realty's iconic mixed-use development in Worli. The American brand hotel is expected to come up by 2016 at a cost of Rs 750 crore. The project will be developed by Oasis Realty, an equal joint venture between Vikas Oberoi-headed Oberoi Realty and Sahana Group. After its launch in Bangalore, this will be the second Ritz-Carlton in India. A building with 140 apartments will also come up adjacent to the hotel on the same premises. The apartment sizes will be in the range of 6,500 square feet to 20,000 square feet. The residences too will be managed by Ritz-Carlton.